Understanding life at sea, a journey into nautical expressions. Hello everyone, today, we're diving into the fascinating world of nautical expressions, specifically the phrase, life at sea. This phrase evokes images of sailors, vast oceans, and the unique lifestyle of those who spend a significant amount of their lives on the water. Let's explore what life at sea means and its implications in both literal and metaphorical contexts. Life at sea primarily refers to the day-to-day existence of individuals who work or live on ships, boats, or other sea vessels. This includes sailors, marine biologists, fishermen, and even pirates in historical contexts. This section will detail the challenges, routines, and adventures faced by those who spend a considerable part of their lives on the ocean. Historically, life at sea was synonymous with exploration, trade, and sometimes warfare. It played a crucial role in shaping civilizations and global interactions. We will look at how maritime history has influenced this phrase and how its meaning and perception have evolved over centuries. Beyond its literal meaning, life at sea also holds a metaphorical significance. It can represent a life of adventure, freedom, and facing the unknown. This section will delve into the cultural and literary references where life at sea symbolizes a journey or a quest, often reflecting personal growth and discovery. In modern times, life at sea can also refer to careers in the naval forces, cruise ship staff, or luxury yachting experiences. We'll explore how the phrase is used in contemporary settings, including its presence in modern literature, movies, and everyday language. Life at sea is a phrase rich with history, cultural depth, and personal meaning. It encompasses the literal experiences of those on the ocean and the metaphorical journey of life itself. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of this intriguing phrase. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more interesting insights into the English language.